ERICS Award is really an important nomination for us, and we would love to be recognized for what we are doing. I think this is specifically important for the mentors who put so much effort in this program.
I wanted to make an impact on children who are going through very complicated situations in their lives.
I'm a primary school teacher, so I used to work with children in the past. And when they have a problem, they always come to me, and then we discuss and we manage to solve it.
The mentorship for me is a way of showing those children that we care about them, that there is someone out there to give them support, and that no matter if they stay here or if they have to go back to their countries, they will have some good experience, some warmth, some support, yeah.